Today guys, last video I can't do it until I got the speed coil. Basically, the brain was scared here. I think when somebody gifted me Robux to buy this, but it's not permanent. Finally, yeah. Okay, I'm at 59, but I'm not near from 50. I think that's not 50. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look what we can beat here. This one bot, bear trap, flamethrower, reverse card, and no! Ah! No, I don't want. Rage beaten. I don't care too. Yan kasi. I don't care though. Hey Brody. Up. Oy! Nangange! Ay. Salamat. Okay, kaya mo yan. Oh. Say, Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Plating only for it. Sino lang. Bumigak pa niya. Yeah. Okay, kaya niyo yan. Okay, kaya niyo yan. Okay. Physical 100. Oy! General Luna. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. 33 30 33 Pwede pa tayo. Ano na? 3 Di pa nga Rage bait mo talaga ako. Okay, up and away. Okay, up and away. Gusto talaga mag-wall hog. Hindi mo yan kaya yung wall hog. Peekaboo baby. Nahulog. Thank you. Nag-jump ako sa mobile. O US. Translate to Filipino. I eat tae. Yeah, I eat tae. Say that to a Filipino. Yeah, Americano. Say this to a Filipino. I eat tae and I love at mahal ko tae. Mama, can you say jump on your head? Okay, kaya pa natin? 3, 2, 1. Talon tayong dalawa. Sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1. Sumabay nga nangi. Diba? Ah! Ah! Lang nga. Ay, pwede pala ako magbili. Ano naman gawain yan? Ah. 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 Hello? Psych. Yes. Yes. Bunsay sa first. Yes, 36 na. Ayun, 37. Tatlo na lang. Ay, dalawa na lang. Pwede. Ayun. Ano siya kaya nakaka-size? It's like big red juicy balls. Isang label na lang! Isang label na lang. Hello, guysing. This is up the top. Isang libyaw ni Warm. Ito mo, guys.
Milk, please.
Let's go! Yahoo!
Bo.
6, 7. Where's your body pillow? Ayo. Ayo. Yo. Cereal under the bed. Oh! Nah, why is it so heavy?
Wow, paganda ng sulat ko. See? It's improving.
Nah! Hey, where's the pictures? What's it?
Ito ay yung bagong gawa mo. Sabi sa ni Kuya Good.
Okay, what is this?
Opo.
What is this thing? This
Opo, ma-upload
is...
namin.
Give it toilet.
Ay,
Ang dami flush down the toilet. Ah. Is that a karkir?
Full job ka lang.
You were sitting on him.
Makaimalan tayo ng sobra niyan.
With me, Mr. Chair. I am very sad all the time. I am sad all the time.
Yes, I believe in you.
Stupid brain rots. Mr.
Pa.
Chair used to be a
Iba
beautiful
pa, I believe in you pa.
Mr. Chair was watching the sunrise every morning. But then those
Oh,
brain
you
rots
look freaky.
Wait lang, mabit.
turned Mr. Chair into a freak and threw him down the storm drain to sit all
the
day by
heck?
himself.
Pag yung mga bata, nakatitig lang siya eh. Pag si Daddy, tawag pa.
Okay, stop the yappity yappitin. Yappity yap. Oh.
Kuya, gawa ni Kuya. Kuya is improving. See?
5,000
Dapat
pesos?
si Daddy lang dapat. Pag si Daddy yung nagsabi, gumagaling si Kuya eh.
Very hard.
Nakakatakot kasi si daddy po eh.
So, hindi ako makakatakot. Ganun. Dapa!
Hindi, mami. Super kasi nakakatakot po si daddy po. Oh my gosh.
Oh, dede na, dede. Oh.
Okay. Let's see more videos like this. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Mag-lotion ka.
And
Kuya,
thank
mag-lotion
you,
ka nga.
guys.
Na yung lotion mo, di mo ginagamit. Dapat tuwing,
Get
lolotion
the
na
tum-tum bat.